guys, so you might be wondering why there's a noise in my background. It's actually raining right now. Let's play Trawler's Opening Tower 2. Let's try to complete. Not actually just complete. We're just gonna... Hey, can you be quiet? Okay. This is my brother. We're not actually complete. We're gonna slap the trawlers when they trawl. Why is my video lagging? Hey. It's just raining. Okay, are they trolling? Hey, can you stop moving the table? Hey, stop. Can you go first? I don't know if they troll. Oh, yes they do. Let me just turn off my Wi-Fi real quick. Okay, turn it back on. No more trolling! Wait, I accidentally slapped the wrong guy. No! Hey, can you stop spinning around me? Kinda annoying though. Oh my god, the rain is becoming more heavy, even more heavier. Yo! What the hell? What the heck? Hey, can you stop trolling for a bit? I will slap you, bro. Hey, yo, bro. Hey, yo, what the heck? That's a boy! Nah, I don't care about your wall hoppings. I want to troll that thingy. It's gonna acting like that. What, you next? Next, huh? Scaredy cat. Okay. This guy's trolling now. Bro! Okay, never mind about that, but let's just go on. Hold up, guys, I'm just gonna check on something outside. I'm gonna be right back for like 30 seconds. Okay, starting the timer now. The video should be 2 minutes and... 3 minutes. Did I reach a time? Such a 3 minutes though. No! Okay, the youngest chat. Better hurry up because... Can you guys ladder flick? Cause look at me. I don't know how to ladder flick that much. Okay, it's roller here. Let's turn on the thingy again. Oops, I accidentally screenshot. There we go. The rain's actually heavy outside right now. Oh yeah, they're here. Let's go! We got rid of the trawler. Oh! You again? You were trolling me a while ago. You were trolling me a while ago. Stop! You were trolling me a while ago, like morning. I don't know who this guy is. Hey, some things are private. I'm recording, Mom. Wait, guys. Okay. What the heck? My mommy created this game. Okay, don't care. You guys wall up. This is how I wall up.
I know.
I'm not good at wall hopping though. Now you're here. Let's just complete the obby. Actually, guys, why it's raining? There's actually a typhoon right now. I don't know if it's strong because at the first day of school. No! The first day of school at Monday and July 21, They had the swimming pool there at the cafeteria. It turned into a swimming pool because of the heavy rain. And it's actually there's so many emergency alerts, flash flood warning. Okay, is there a trawler here? Okay, that kinda looks like a trawler. If that's a trawler, I'm gonna use my wall hopping skills. No trawler. No trawler. Actually, we're gonna dance. Wait, what? Hey guys, why are you dancing there? You should pass now. We don't trawler here. Let me copy this dance. I think it's E-Dance 3, right, guys? Yup, it's that. Oh, why'd you die? Hey, why are you back? Why are you here? Let's go to the top. Let's go to the top. I hate that part when the wall jumps are here. I hate this part. It's kinda hard. For me, actually, it's kinda hard. Is it hard for you guys? Because I did it. Yes, I did it. This part's actually kinda hard. It's a roof jump. I never heard of that before. Why is it actually making me die? It's actually making me fall for some reason. Okay, my classmate just joined. I don't know why his name is Botak. Botak. Oh, why is it so hard? I'm literally pressing jump. Why is it late? Okay, guys, this is actually kind of hard. Bro! Move out the way! Bro! Let's go! I swear, if I fall here, I'm gonna have to drink pee. Just kidding. No! Are you serious, dude? I literally worked so hard for that. Let me do it. Let me try to do it first try. Oh, hell no. Not this jump. I did it. Yay. I did it. Yes, sir. Well, how did they disappear even though there's nobody there? Let me just go to this platform. You were trolling me a while ago, bro. Why you keep following me? This is actually kind of hard. No! We're back in the troll place. It's been like 5 minutes, right, guys? Alright, guys. The trollers are so annoying. Guys, I'm gonna show you my ladder flicking. Look. Like what? I actually can do it sometimes. Look. I almost did it! I'm lagging. Okay, let's do the white pig. Let's do the glitch. Yes, sir! We're flying up to the sky store. Okay. We'll stop here. Let's go back here and let's do eagle attack, guys. Why am I not connecting? Here we go. Eagle attack. I'm not gonna say to him, but I'm just gonna say eagle attack. Okay? Why is it wiggle? I mean wag. Bruh! Sorry guys. I'm not a very... Take that! Oh, now you're scared, huh? Get scared. Real scared. Oh, you're trying to ban me! You're actually... I'm just doing eagle attack. No troll. No troll. Okay, let's do the Wi-Fi glitch over there again so we can do more eagle attacks. Is that he actually has admin? Cause let's go here. Yeah, boy. Ah! Hopefully it connects in time. Okay, I turn off airplane mode. Why is the Wi-Fi? Oh, someone trolling down there. Someone ain't. I'm gonna do eagle. Oh, I saw one. I saw one person is trolling. Take that. It's two more. I gotta drink my drink, guys. I'm having Coke. Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola. Why is it airplane mode? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm actually lagging. I turned off airplane mode. Hopefully I fall in time. Hey, where's my classmate at? Oh, no, 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 no. No. Okay, guys. So that's for today's video. So bye, guys. Peace.